Hello, if you are wondering if you can reorder spaces in the Arc browser on Windows, then the answer is unfortunately no. This feature seems to be missing, at least as of the day of recording this video. I assume this will be added in the future. However, right now, if we create multiple spaces, there is nothing we can do in order to rearrange them. So the order in which we create those spaces matter if we care about the correct order of our spaces. The only thing that we can do is switch those spaces, and if you want to somehow manage them and rearrange them, then perhaps we can, for instance, turn these spaces into folders, keep them in one space, and then create new spaces one by one in the order that we want them to be. But if you want to quickly just switch the order of those spaces, then at this moment it is not possible. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in next videos. Bye.